Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the project. From here we have to select the project that we want to work on. And after it has loaded, you have to wait a little bit. We tap on the screen, and then in the left side we find the plus icon, and by tapping on it we get some options that we can do. We have to tap on elements in the bottom bar, and if you scroll down we find generate your own text below the AI image generator. If you tap on this, then we can describe a scene, and by tapping on create an example, the app is going to create an image that we can use. Actually, it's going to create 4 images, and you can just tap on one, and that's it. We added the picture, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.